In front of me is Redmi Note 14s, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to click on Google. Now tap on All Services and scroll again to hit Autofill with Google here. Then choose Google Password Manager. Select the password you wish to check and enter your screen lock. Then hit this eye icon to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!